Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I have a box opening. I'm glad it came today because a few days ago I didn't even have a voice. And I got my voice now. So anyways, let's take a look and see what I got today. Quite the size box. Now this was a surprise to one lady in particular because I haven't mentioned it to her, and that's Dodie's Dolls. So Dodie, this is a surprise for everybody. Even you. What's going to... I try to keep some things a surprise, I guess. I got this doll off of eBay, and had a little bit of a bidding war. Not much, but obviously you can see I won, so there we go. So let's take a look and see who this doll is now. I want to see what you're seeing here. Whoops, let's get that over just a bit. Alright. And let's see who this is. So, okay. Now you can see I've got a couple dolls sitting here at the back. Let's see if we can zoom on them. You can see them. There they are. And there's a reason those two are sitting there. And we'll talk about that in a minute. So, oh, she's crying. She's saying, "Get me out there. I can't breathe. I can't breathe." I'll get you out. Why? She'll need some cleaning up, I think. I think she will. Oh. Alright. There we go. Alright. Now, let's see who I have here. Here she is, this happy little girl. Now it looks to be her original dress and her original shoes. And look at that nice cheap vinyl, all nice vinyl, cloth body and everything. But the thing she does, let me see if what you're seeing here as I'm holding her. Oh yeah, you can see it. One of the things that she can do is her face changes, and her face changes. And then her face comes back to the happy little face she is. She reminds me, and I think this is who she is the Trudy doll. I'm not sure. But it looks like this could be her original clothes too that is on her. They fit her so well. So I'm going to say yes, they are. But she's just gorgeous because the hat has the already made hole for her. That would be fitting to her. So... and she has like a felt hat underneath. So, oh, she's got a cute little face. Now she did, if this is the Trudy doll that I'm thinking of, she also came in composition. Bring her up a little closer so you can see her face. There she is. And we'll take a look at all three of her faces. That's the real mad crying face. The sleeping angel face. And back to the happy baby again. So why are these dolls sitting here in the back? Oh, she has a nice crier too. Well, these are the same idea. This is my older one. And her head only has the two changes. I've had her on before on YouTube. She has the crying face. And she has the happy face. Put her down for a minute. And then this one was gifted to me by Janet, a friend named Janet. And this is Hedda Get Better. And she has the sick face, the sleeping serene face, and I'm all better face. So, this is just an addition to my multi-face dolls. I'm not saying I want many, many more of them or anything of that sort. But what I am saying is that there's a uniqueness to them. I would like to get her later. This one here, I think this is the Trudy doll. And that she does come in composition. Now I'm going to check and undo her hat and see if there's any markings on the back of her neck. I think she was made by American Character or Ideal Doll. Oh, I see. The hair is attached to the hat itself. Okay, I understand that now. Let's take a look. And let's just see. Well, of course, it's all the different faces. I thought there might have been a mark at the back. But there isn't a mark on the back at all. So you can see how this works. The hair is attached to the hat. And then you got all the different colored different faces. I'm just looking at the color of the skin. That's what I was thinking of the time, how dirty she is. And how much work she needs. Just cleaning work, that's all she needs. But I'm looking for markings on her. If there are any, like a tag. Just something who made her, somebody who made her. And I don't see that either. But her squeaker's in good standing. Yeah, I think everything on her is original to her. Whoever owned her loved her and kept her in very good condition. The dress fits her so well. I believe it is her dress. So let's put this back up on her here. So I have to get this around. And then bend that in. There we go. I love this face here. It's just a beautiful little face. And of course she does need some clean. Oh, is there, maybe there was something in the hat maybe. Something to identify her. But I think she is the Trudy doll. I don't think I'm far off. But for anybody who knows anything about these dolls, she probably had a wrist tag that identified her. But I think she's adorable. Especially that little face right there. And that's what attracted me, was the fact that she had the 3 faces. And another addition to my multi-face dolls. I think she's gorgeous. I believe this is original. But if anybody has any information on her, I'd love to hear about it. If you do. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this and this new addition to my collection of dolls. She was actually a last thought doll here that I was, trying to not buy right now because I got so much work ahead, but I couldn't resist her because of the fact that she had the multi-faces and she was at a good price. And I love the bidding more. But anyways, as that may be, she's a beautiful doll in her right. I say she's from the 1950s. The vinyl and everything speaks very early vinyl. And but she's going to need some cleaning up for sure. But nothing that I can't handle or anything. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And, for all you out there, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and give this a thumbs up. And comment down below. I do read. I sit down and I read everybody's comment. And I may not always answer. But I do give you, I do read them. I take the time to read everybody. And I hope you enjoy her. But I think she's a very pleasant doll. And she would have been fun back in her day with the multi-faces like that. Not that they weren't unheard of, because this goes back here to the I'd say about 1919, something like that. One of these was presented to Queen Mary. So, in one of the things that was reported in the newspaper when this one here was presented to Queen Mary is that she laughed. And this one here was gifted to me. She's from the 1960s. And she's Hedda Get Better. So she is American Character, I believe. But the Trudy doll, I just want to say she's an ideal doll. I don't know if she is or not. I don't really know. I have to do some research on her. But if anybody does know about her, please, maybe she's not the Trudy doll. Maybe she's just another doll thrown in as a multi-face doll. I'm just saying Trudy because that's what I think of the composition Trudy doll. But she could be another type of multi-face doll. I'm not sure. But she's cute, whatever, and it doesn't matter. I think she's adorable. But, thumbs up if you like her. I think she's cute with all those different little faces. All right, I'm going to sign off. And have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.